Good evening. My name is Syed Saiman bin Syed Muhammad Nasim and I am from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Cukai, Kemaman Terengganu, Malaysia. I am going to present to you the glory of biogas electrical generation with my personal project, Bgas-Generators. This project was inspired after learning that each household produces a large amount of domestic waste. This is the main cause of environmental pollution. The second inspiration was taken after learning that fossil fuels will soon run out. We need a new electrical source that is both environmentally friendly and a new alternative to fossil fuels. That's where my project came in. It will allow us to increase our electrical production while also decreasing environmental pollution, while also allowing us to advance from the fossil fuel usage. The design will be inspired by already existing technology, specifically to replace the petrol and diesel generator design. This is so that each household can have something they are familiar with, yet it's a new technology that can benefit the many. To present to you this technology, I have to present a skit that allows you to understand why I created this in the first place. So for now, let me show you the Minecraft simulation of the technology that I have just described. Now that the simulation is over, I would like to explain about his character. This character is a forgetful person. He forgot to pay his bills during the simulation, causing his house to run out of electricity. Now he also forgot that he bought one of our generators. Now that he remembered using the trash in his trash can, he has managed to sufficiently power his house forever. No longer does he need to pay his bills. Now that the simulation previously is over, and now that I have sufficiently explained about this character, let me explain more about the gadget itself. I will show you another Minecraft simulation on how it works.
Alright, now that the simulation is over, I would like to explain more about how the generator works. Here I am now in the simulation of the generator I showed in the Minecraft simulation. Everything is not up to scale and is meant to show the raw mechanics of the device. This is the biogas cylinder and is meant to show how it works. It works by having a base made of bacteria that anaerobically digested the food to make biogas. First, we add the rotten food to simulate the biogas production. The alchemy disco turns the biomaterials into biomass. This biomass is then digested anaerobically to produce our biogas. The biogas is pumped into the burner setup to immediately heat up the boiler system. Unfortunately, due to the limitations of the simulation, I cannot make the accurate boiler setup. This boiler setup uses water pumped directly into it to heat up into steam. The steam is then pumped into the industrial steam turbine to produce our electricity. Excess steam is then condensed via the condensers and re-enters the fluid system. This is then the transformer that transforms the high voltage power into home usable power.
Following the last simulation, you may have already understood the raw mechanics of this machine. There are actually three mechanics that I couldn't actually explain in Minecraft. The first one was the Archimedes screw. It was designed as a push and pull mechanic to separate the domestic waste into finer biomass, increasing the surface area, allowing the bacteria to digest and produce biogas at a higher rate. The second mechanic was the gear lift. It sacrificed torque for a higher rotation per minute. thus allowing to produce more electricity for lower amount of biogas use. The third mechanic actually lies in the design itself. It is a design for modern outlook, sleep and child safety. This improves the user confidence in purchasing our product because it entices an atmosphere of safety and viability. This project is in line with SDG 7, that is affordable and clean energy. This machine allows us to drastically reduce greenhouse gas in the atmosphere by providing a greater alternative in electrical generation without using fossil fuels. This is because they are known for high greenhouse gas production that can further advance climate change. I hope I have presented my project very clearly. That is all from me. My name is Syed and I thank you very much for your time.